Diagonalization of matrices involves transforming a square matrix A into a diagonal matrix D equals x to the power of -1 ax, where x is an invertible matrix. This process reveals the matrix eigenvalues and eigenvectors, providing crucial information about the matrix properties and behaviors. Here's an example. Ang una nating gawin ay hanapin ang eigenvalues, where the determinant A minus lambda I is 0. Taking this determinant, we get -3 minus lambda times 6 minus lambda minus -4 times 5 is 0. Then let's FOIL the binomials. We get -18 plus 3 lambda minus 6 lambda plus lambda squared plus 20 is 0, which simplified gives us lambda squared minus 3 lambda plus 2 is 0. Now, by factoring this, makikita natin na lambda minus 1 times lambda minus 2 is 0, which means our solutions to eigenvalues are lambda equals 1 and lambda equals 2. Ngayon, hanapin naman natin ang eigenvectors, at dahil may value na tayo sa ating lambda, yun na ang ilalagay natin sa equation. At isasolve natin yung possible vector x. Let's start to lambda equals 1. Our matrix A minus lambda I becomes -4, -4, 5, 5. Our top row, -4x1 minus 4x2 is 0. Dividing by -4, we get x1 equals -x2. In the second row, it ends up in the same thing. We choose x2 equals 1, which means x1 is equals to -1. So our eigenvector for lambda equals 1 is -1, 1. Ngayon, sa lambda equal 2 naman tayo. Our matrix A minus lambda I becomes -5, -4, 5, 4. Both rows will again give the same result, but looking at the first row, we get -5x1 minus 4x2 equals 0. Solving for x1, we get -4/5 x2. Choosing x2 equals 1, we get x1 equals -4/5, making our eigenvector for lambda equals 2 equals to -4/5, 1. Ngayong may eigenvectors at eigenvalues na tayo, pwede na nating isolve ang diagonal matrix D in the matrix X. Yung D ay yung ating eigenvalues sa diagonal. D is 1, 0, 0, 2. Yung X naman natin, yung eigenvectors. At dahil naka-in order siya, dapat nating tandaan na naka-column siya. Yung eigenvectors natin sa lambda 1, dapat natin ilagay sa column 1. At ganun din ang gagawin sa eigenvectors sa lambda 2. So our X is equals to -1, -4/5, 1, 1. Ngayong nakuha na natin ang main matrices for diagonalizing the matrix A, yung isang natitira na lang ay ang inverse of x. Since 2 by 2 yung matrix natin, iswap na lang natin yung -1 at 1. At yung isang diagonal naman, i-multiply sa -1. And divide the whole matrix by the determinant. The determinant will be -1 times 1 minus -4/5 times 1, which is -1 plus 4/5, which equals to -1/5. The inverse will therefore be the matrix 1, 4/5, -1, -1, divided by the determinant -1/5, which means we just multiply it by -5. It gives us -5, -4, 5, 5. Ngayon, gagawin naman natin ang multiplication para ma-verify. Una, i-multiply natin yung D sa inverse of X. So, ang sagot is -5, -4, 10, 10. Pagkatapos, i-multiply naman natin yung x sa new matrix. So, A is equals to 5 minus 4/5 times 10. 4 minus 4/5 times 10. Negative 5 plus 10. Negative 4 plus 10. This becomes 5 minus 8. 4 minus 8. 5, 6. At dahil pwede pa siya masolve, so negative 3, negative 4, 5, and 6. Which was indeed the matrix A kung saan tayo nagsimula. Diagonalization is a fundamental concept in linear algebra, empowering mathematicians to transform complex matrices into simplified diagonal forms.